Hi guys, my name is Ronald and this should be your favorite channel. So today we're going to look at players that we think have moved out or are in great positions to give some tips for this coming week. For the week we have started yesterday and until Friday, these are the pairs we think that will really move. Okay, so right away I'll take you to one of the pairs that I think is gonna move for this week. So for today, we're gonna look at the AUD NZD. Okay, there is the Australian dollar versus the New Zealand dollar. So when you look at this pair, let's start our analysis from the daily time frame. When you look at the daily time frame, this pair has really overextended. Okay, usually in the forex, the pairs move in this direction, in a zigzag direction. But when you look at this has been overextended. So we expect a very good pullback until the 3.82 Fibonacci area. So we expect a pullback until that area. If you're not aware of the Fibonacci, I'll show you. Let's remove all the Fibonacci's. So when you look at a pair like this, you need to get a pullback until any position. So for you to know which position, first, to be much safer, you need to pull out your Fibonacci from the lowest point to this one. So for this point, so this is the one we have, okay, just it will be around, it has to pull back until here, until the 38 or until the 50%. So we have very high chances of having a pullback until that area. So when you go back to our 4-hour time frame to figure out our entry point, then we need to pull out our short position for us to be very sure where we will get our position from. So you can choose to come to start from the 23%. So you put your position right here and you aim for the 50%. For sure this pair will have to move until the 50%. So when you start from here, let's put our short position here. So when you put your entry point from the 1.086 as your entry point, you should take your profit from the 0.5. So that is our first short position. Okay, you could either take it from the 38.2, that could be also if you are scalping, or you should be in and out of the market. Okay, we cannot rely on this until down here, so you should be in and out of the market. So if the market will take you in from this point, you should be out from the 3.82 because it's a good there is a good structure also just right around here. So you could take this as your profit, or you could wait until the 5%. Okay, once you get up to here, you need to move out of the position because from there the market will make another decision. Okay, otherwise, if you need an early entry, if you don't take this position for now, which I think we should take, then you could make an early position. If you want to come in earlier, so you have to come to the lower time frames. Let's look at the 1 hour. So for the 1 hour, you could say if it breaks this structure here, you could come in. Okay, so that means you come in a little bit earlier. Let's say here, so you will come in a little bit earlier, but that will be risky because there's a lot of structure here. Maybe it will bounce back from this structure. So that's why we're saying you should let's maintain this as our entry point. So when it has broken this structure, then we will join in. Okay.